Hi there! So in this tutorial, I will discuss the Zoom feature that allows participants to choose a breakout room that they wish to join in. Before, the only options for breakout rooms are either you manually assign participants to a room or assign them automatically or randomly. But now we have a third option, and that is to let participants choose a room. Now, an important note is that for this to work, both the host and the participants needs to have the Zoom version 5.3.0 or higher. Let me repeat that. For this to work, both the host and the participants need to have the Zoom version 5.3.0 or higher. Now, to check the version of your Zoom application from a Mac, you just need to click this, the zoom.us, and then click About Zoom, and then there it will show you your Zoom version. So mine is version 5.4.4, so I upgraded it to the latest version. So therefore, this feature of Zoom will work for me. So now I'm in a meeting, and breakout rooms were already created by the host, and I can see the breakout room options from my Zoom app. So if I click breakout rooms, all the rooms that were created by the host will appear, and I can choose to join any of these rooms. So to join a room, I just point my mouse to the number on the right side of the room, and then the join option will appear. These numbers are the number of participants that already joined the room. So in this example, I am the only participant in this meeting. So you can see that no other participant joined the room. So let me join this room, room number 1. So it will ask for a confirmation, and just click yes to confirm that you want to join that room. And then you will be directed or placed in the room that you chose. So now inside the breakout room, I have an option to leave the room. So if I leave the room, I have two options. I can leave the meeting or just leave the breakout room. If I click leave breakout room, I will return to the main session. But there's another option. If I click breakout rooms again, I can choose to move to another room. So let's try it. So you can see that I'm inside room number 1. And if I wish to join room number 4, I just do the same thing. Point my mouse to the number and click join. And then confirm. And then I will be joining room number 4 in a few seconds. So from this room, I can again move to another room or leave the room. So let's just leave the room and just leave the breakout room and return to the main session. So that's how this Zoom feature functions, and I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!